Some people dey cook egusi as if say na stone of honor na dey wan cook. Me, I no understand some chef for this life, but make una just wait gidigba. Make I show una how they take dey cook another form of egusi soup. Wahala too much. I know say una go tell me say, Abi, you that kind again. Abi, you wan start again. Why I no go start when my own brother request say he wan eat real original egusi soup with fresh pounded yam wey e be say dem use mortar take do. Now I say ogini kwa who born this one sef? I say okay now make I just manage cook this the food for am, because they say belle wey chop na dey see road o. No understand. If I no greet the area, wetin I gain? Area, how una dey? I twale for una for the area. Make I tell una, I no get motor to pound yam for this abroad. Una know say I get my food processor wey dey make that all the days grandmother's pounded yam. Egbeleske. Now also okay, make I prepare and give my brother. But the egusi soup wey be say I wan cook for am, na the modern egusi soup, no be village egusi soup, because I knew eat that one finish. Now I say make I give my brother another style. May he know say women we know how to cook. Hi shy. Make una relax, make I tell una the ingredients wey be say I use to cook this correct egusi one food. Okay, I can't get belle pepper, what Igbo people they call bell pepper. I can't get that Scotland or na Scottish pepper, where would they call fresh pepper, because I need to add a lot join now. You know, na winter period that would day. Make your mouth for the bone you when you they eat the food. You call they say ooh-ha. Now I can't add that one join now. Wetin be egusi without no crayfish? Wetin be egusi without no periwinkle? I can't get my periwinkle. I can't get crayfish. I can't get my dry fish. I can't get my fresh fish. I can't get my boiled goat meat wey be say I wan use. Wetin be egusi without no onions? Women una too dey stingy, but una dey put onions for soup. Make person for dey hear the aroma and the taste very well. I can't put my onions there. I go grind all of that together with egusi o. Everything go grind together. Mona just dey follow the process as I just dey talk so. Now see, I can't even carry wetin dem dey call am mushroom. I can't add mushroom join am, because without no mushroom, God, this one another style wey be say I wan give my brother for soup again. May you know say she in get sister wey be say you know how to cook red palm oil. Cause you dey may you no go cook egusi mix am with okra. I use my red palm oil. I first stew everything wey be say I don grind: tomatoes, fresh bell pepper, fresh pepper, onions and crayfish. Then I can't use my tomatoes to stew everything together. After I don't do and finish, before I can't put my egusi when I don't mix with egg. Now I take mix the egusi as Igbo people take the cook am. Now I say now this time now I must cook for my brother. Make my brother for get sense. Really, when my brother can't eat and finish, I put fresh bitter leaf when be say I don't wash, put for inside freezer. Now I be the vegetable when I use for Maggi and salt. When my brother eat the food finish, my brother here for a life. He here for a life. He say which kind of food I cook, so he never tastes this kind of food before. My brother, I rub bust in belly with fresh pounded yam. Una see where I forgot they do the pounded yam now. Come on now, who want try Nigeria woman? I love you guys.